They're really taking over our city.
They just come and take whatever they want and they're out of the window again. They're not scared of us anymore.
They break into your house, they steal your food, they make a mess of your kitchen.
I'm very scared of them.
They even attack little children while they're eating a sweet or ice cream.
You can say monkeys belong here till you stand on your head, mister. The people are here, the suburbs are built.
And you know what? This is what I spend my days and nights doing, rescuing monkeys in the city. But they get injured, they get shot, they get killed by dogs, they get run over by motor cars, and we get called out every day to do these rescues. The monkeys need all the help that they can get.
He loves Stephen.
People complain about monkeys, they say they're under siege. Well, it's not us who are under siege, it's the monkeys who are under siege. They're dying every single day because of things that human beings do. I've given up everything I had to be able to do what I'm doing for monkeys now.
Dad, he's running, he's running, he's running.
This is what I spend my days and nights doing, rescuing monkeys in the city. They are dying on the roads, they're being killed by dogs, they're being shot, they've been electrocuted, they've been poisoned and snared. I certainly wouldn't be able to do this without the help of Carol.
We have a duty to take care of them, and we have a duty to do what's right.
We are absolutely and totally committed to fighting this fight for the monkeys. This is not just a battle, this is a war. They need us. Without us, they're not going to survive. We'll fight for them till our very last breath.